Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to prevent lock screen background motion in Windows 11 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To prevent lock screen background motion in Windows 11 computer, in search type gpedit. Click on Edit Group Policy. The local group policy editor has been opened. Now, under Computer Configuration, expand Administrative Template and then expand Control Panel and then click on Personalization. Here you will find the first option, Prevent Lock Screen Background Motion. Just right click on the settings and click on Edit. Now the settings is not configured. Just click on Enabled and now click on Apply. Then click on OK. Look, now the settings is enabled. Just close the group policy editor and you need to restart your computer to force the change of group policy immediately. Click on Start menu and click on Start and then restart your computer. After restarting the computer, hope the changing of lock screen motion is prevented in your Windows 11 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.